She's like... The key ingredients for me when I went to school here at UNC Charlotte was, number one, getting to know my professors. That was so valuable to me, where I could have direct conversations with them that gave me counsel and guidance for my entire education. I think there were two experiences during my time here at UNC Charlotte that were so valuable. One was studying abroad. The second was an independent study. I went out into Charlotte, into the business community, and got valuable branding expertise. What I would say to young people is that time is your best asset. Be patient with yourself, but be persistent with pursuing your dreams, whatever that is. My work, it's my passion. And what I hope is that people really feel it and apply it. Service journalism is so important to building better lives and getting us together at the table, and that is my mission every single day.